And the two, okay, look at the screen. And the two,
The two
hospital. Okay, let's talk about Terry. Okay, let's talk about Terry. Okay, one more time. There are.
in my town.
Yeah.
There are two
Four.
hospitals. Lots of restaurants. In my town, there
In your
is
town.
中山跑
Zhongshan Park.
Alright, wow. Okay, that's your turn. Okay, how about Terry? Okay, how about Terry? What places in the town? Okay, there are four. Okay, go. There are four restaurants and
喂，
There are
读他的。
three plus one.
no, no,
哎，
no.
不要讲话。
Let's be serious, Jamie. Okay, go.
There are four restaurants and two supermarkets.
Okay, how about this one? And also, there are lots.
There are lots of parks too.
Yes, that's Terry. Okay, that's Terry places in the town. Okay, how about the ending sentence? Okay, how about the ending sentence? Okay, what is Terry's favorite place?
Place is the park. I love my town.
Okay, my favorite place is the park, and he said, I love my town. Okay, so as you can see, Jimmy, we have here the title, the beginning, and the sentence, or let's say middle sentence, and lastly is ending sentence. All right, Jimmy. So as you can see here, all right. So can you please drag this one, Jimmy? Okay. All right, go on, Jimmy. Where is the middle? Great job. Okay. All